Hello everyone, and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we learn how to concatenate two strings after removing their first character. This is a useful exercise to practice string manipulation techniques in JavaScript. Let's get started. The objective here is simple. We'll take two strings, remove the first character from each, and then join the remaining parts together. For example, PHP and JS will become HPS. Let's see how to accomplish this in JavaScript. Here's the implementation. We define a function concatenate that takes two strings as input. We use the substring method to exclude the first character from each string, and then concatenate the modified strings using the plus operator. Let's break this down step by step. Here's how it works. First, we take the input strings. Then, we remove their first characters using substring. Finally, we concatenate the remaining parts to produce the result. The function then returns the concatenated string. In this example, the input strings are PHP and JS. After removing the first character of each, we get HP and S. Joining these gives us HPS. Simple and straightforward. Here's an edge case, where the input strings are A and B. Each have only one character. Removing the first characters leaves us with empty strings, so the result of the concatenation is an empty string. In this example, the input strings are AA and BB. Removing the first characters results in A and B. The concatenated output is AB. This demonstrates the function's ability to handle strings of any length. Here's the ES6 version of the function. By using an arrow function, we make the code more compact and modern. The functionality remains the same, and the syntax is cleaner, making it easier to read and maintain. To summarize, this program demonstrates how to manipulate strings by removing their first character and joining them. We also saw how to simplify the implementation using ES6 syntax. This method is versatile and can be extended to various string manipulation tasks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript lessons. See you next time.